Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back again with another video. Still can't get used to the new name, but in this video I got a new tool that I got from a local flea market, so stay tuned. So, went to a local flea market today, and as many of you know, I just like going to antique stores, getting tools from coworkers, friends, all that stuff. Today, went to a local flea market, got this Ford wrench. Will focus. There we go. Even has the Ford logo right there. More Drop Forging Company, Massachusetts, Springfield, Massachusetts. So, pretty cool. The jaws are pretty straight. Might have a little adjustments to make. It definitely needs a little bit of work. Not too much though, but I like it. It does have some pitting in it from rust, but I can easily fix that. And I will make a video about that. Speaking of videos, I am in the process of doing a restoration video. I will give you a sneak peek about it. This is a Firestone 3/8 ratchet, forged in USA. Got this one from one of my coworkers. And here are the rest of the pieces to it. Now, the reason why I painted it flat black was this used to be chromed, but a lot of the chrome was falling off and flaking, so no way to really fix it, so I just wire brushed it, and then I also just painted it matte black, so I like it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.